No, not yet. Yeah, there we go. Okay, can you enter your GPS? All right, perfect. So let's see the MT4 terminals. Let me control your screen. Okay, perfect. So, oh, that's another product, another software. Okay, perfect. So you haven't downloaded the MT4 terminal from LQDFS. Okay. Do you have an account with LQDFX? All right, perfect. I'm gonna take over again, okay? Okay. Yeah. Let's download the MT4 terminal first. So are you interested in running all three of the products or just one in particular or two? Okay. Sorry, what was that? Not at the moment, but I will. Oh, wait, what the heck? Oh, this is the VPS. Oh, okay. So this is the VPS. Okay, okay. No, it's a separate product. Okay, can you go back to the VPS? I think I exited out or something. Oh, that is the VPS. Oh, that's cool. All right. That's really sweet. I hadn't seen anything like that. That is so cool, man. Okay. Yeah, actually, as soon as I don't know if you have gone through the academy or not. Yeah, yeah, you should go through the Edge Train Academy. Oh, nice. Okay. All right, can you log in into your client area for me, please? Right now, I'm located in Mexico. Uh, it's going well so far. Okay. So the first thing we want to set up is the indicator. Okay, here. Okay, here. Then we're gonna make sure the URL is here too. Hmm, okay, okay, there we go. All right, then we have to close the terminal. We're gonna minimize this. Then here, download PSI. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, very good. Um, for now, only one at a time. All right, so we leave it like this. You can use actually any broker you want, but at the same time, you can only use one. Okay, and you will have to come here and enter your new broker server and then your new broker account. Okay, can you log in the demo LQDFX demo account you want to use right now? Perfect. There you go. Okay, so The indicator should be here. Yeah, there it is. Okay. We want to copy this. Then here, go back here. Every time you want to use another um, account, you make sure you update it here, okay? Yeah, yeah, as well. You have to come here, enter the account number, and then in the MT4 terminal, you have to enter your broker name and okay. All right, here. Perfect. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we close out of the windows. Okay, then we open up a new one. Then we drag the indicator onto the chart. I'm sure you're familiar with the process, right? Okay, perfect. Okay, then we give it a couple of minutes to fully load, okay? In the meantime, do you have any questions regarding the indicator? No, I mean it's pretty straightforward. It's also explaining the academy, so as soon as you go through it, you will be able to find great strategies that you want to use with it. Are you trying to get funded by FTMO or something like that? Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's gonna help you a ton. Here is the academy, by the way. We have a strategy called Divergence for FTMO, which has helped a lot of people pass the FTMO challenge, actually. It's called Divergence, FTMO version. So that strategy has helped a lot of people pass the FTMO challenge. Yeah, that's in the academy. Yes, correct. Okay, now we go to the Titan X tool. So you said you've been trading for 4 years now? Yeah, I feel you. I've been trading for almost 3 years myself too. And I blew like maybe 10, 11 accounts, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, now here we click to next. Oh, sorry, yeah. For the other one, I will teach you what I do. Yeah, okay. Let's finish. Okay, can you enter with the demo account you want to use, please? Yeah, different one, please. Yep, I did. Yeah, no worries. I can teach you how to do it. The time next tool. Well, for the FTMO challenge, people use Titan next tool, and to run personal funds, they use G27 because it is a much safer product, and it's actually made for the long term, so it's not necessarily built to make profits over the short term, but it's much safer. Titan X is more aggressive, and it's a martingale product. I don't know if you're familiar with those type of systems. Okay, perfect. So, there's always risk with that. Okay, that should be good. Hmm. Sorry, in here in the URL, or yeah, here, options and expert advisors. You don't need to do this every time you want to use the tools. This is just for the initial setup. Okay, now we're gonna paste. Yeah, yeah, no worries. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, then there we go. Yeah, the expert advisors folder. Okay, perfect. Now, can you add the account number in your client area for me, please? Yep, Titan X. Yeah, perfect. I'm using the LQDFX as well. I've been there for, I don't know. I started using Trader's Way. And it was working fine. But then I found LQDFX a little bit better because their spreads are better and their fees too. So I mean, you will be able to see it once you use it. Okay, so right now we open up a chart, then we drag it onto the chart. Then we make sure all of this is like this. Okay. Yeah, perfect. And then these are the settings that you can change according to whatever you want to use. Okay. For now, I'm gonna leave it at default, but you can change it anytime. We click OK. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, actually, for the FTMO, clients are using Type Next and BSI. Yeah, you can totally use it. We've had actually a lot of customers pass with Type Next only, but it highly depends on market phases, you know? Okay, so now we're gonna set up G27. Oops, there we go. Yeah, yeah, that's correct. All right, so in order to set up a new MT4 terminal from the same broker, you go to the installer file, which is this one. Then you click run. And then in here, before you click next, you go to settings. And then you add the number. For example, for the last one, I use number 2. For this one, we're gonna use number 3, okay? Yeah, that's correct. Then we click next. Okay, let's just let it load. There we go. Am I using a VPS? Yeah, I am using a VPS at the moment. Yes. My Forex VPS. Because they're pretty fast and their support is really good too. Oh, really? Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. That's nice. Okay, no, this is the first time I ever see this actually. It's pretty cool. Okay, can you use the last account, please? Oh, okay. Those are nice too. Nice. Okay. All right. So let's. Mm, okay. Okay. And it's the same. And for G27, we need to actually. Yeah, for for G27, we need two URLs. It's because it's a little bit of more complex algorithm, so that's why it needs to be used. Okay, so perfect. Where do you have the account number? It's this one, right? Yeah, I do have three kids. Oh, really? Nice. Okay, so okay. Here we go. Hey, by the way, how did you find us? Oh, from Kim. Okay, okay, perfect. All right, yeah, that sounds good. Uh, it actually will give you access to the FTMO blueprint with the settings that you can use for the challenge. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Yeah, actually, Kim passed the challenge using Titan X, I believe, only. Or I think she made just a couple of trades at the end with BSI. Yeah, that was crazy. While she was teaching, man. Okay, so huh? Yeah, it's actually. Hey, what happened? Okay, 8-7. Sorry, 5-7. Hmm. Oh, I had an space. Should be good now. Okay. Yeah, I'm using the bot to run my, automatically my personal funds, and I'm using the indicator to get the funded account going. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Okay, so G27 is ready to go, man. Yeah, all of them are ready to go. So G27 is gonna take about 8 hours to start trading, and as the market closes in about 4 or 3 hours, it's probably gonna start trading on Sunday. Okay. All right, cool. Do you have any other questions? Yeah, it's already trading. The take next one. Yeah, for my personal funds, yes. Yeah, I'm using the default ones because they are safer and they're kind of in the middle road. So yeah, I'm using the default ones. I've been with Blue Edge for I think, a year and a half now, but I've known the owners for 8 years, if I'm not mistaken. So it's Adam, Joe, and Tyler. Yeah, Tyler is the one in the videos. Yeah, exactly. I work with them. Yeah, they're friends of mine, so I kind of support them as well. Not at the moment, but as soon as chats calm down and everything, I will start trading again full time. the chats because I'm helping in the chats and with support as well. So that's why I'm kind of in the call right now. Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, whatever you need, feel free to reach out through the live chat support, okay? All right, you too. Thank you. Goodbye.